If you're looking for a way to support a local farmer, look no further than a CSA. CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture, and it's a subscription box that you purchase directly through a local farm. The benefit for the farmer is that they get money up front at the beginning of the season so that they can purchase things for the length of the season, like seeds or infrastructure that they need to grow their best. The benefit for you is that you get to directly support a farmer, and you're also eating seasonally. Usually the subscription lasts for about 20 weeks, but it varies from farm to farm. So you'll experience everything from spring through summer and into fall. So right now it's spring on my farm, we're rolling into June. In my CSA box, I'll have spring greens, I'll have radishes, I'll have turnips, I'll have all sorts of tasty spring things, maybe some pea shoots. And as the season progresses, that will change. So the benefit for you is that you'll get the most fresh, most seasonal produce in your box. So with my CSA, I harvest it the morning that folks pick it up. They get to come out to my farm, they get to meet me, we get to know each other over the course of the season, they get to take home the most fresh, seasonal produce available and enjoy it with their families at home.